Out with the old. In with the new. Huge improvement. Next on the list is this fluorescent lamp. I'm surprised it still works. It is 12 volt, 8 watts. See if I can find something to replace that with. I also picked up a donor motor. So I'll start taking it apart. There's a huge nest of fur and stuff on the side. That plug was pretty much seized in. I'm guessing this side got pretty hot. Still some gunk. Build it up and down in there. The thermostat, I mean, I don't know if it works or not, but it's actually in the correct cold position, because if the thermostat goes out and breaks apart, it just stays in the, well, unless that spring's bad, should stay in the hot position. Anyway, taking apart, saving some engine tins. Clutch is out. It's down in there in my metal recycling bin. Those are destroyed. The exhaust is, J pipes are completely gone. Same with the ends of the F pipe. I hope I can salvage them. Cooling fan has all its teeth. This came out of a 78.